Hey guys, welcome to the final stage of my project, staging, accessorizing, and revealing the outcome of my farmhouse-style Christmas decoration. Welcome to Forlit's Arts and Architecture, the channel where I vlog and share my projects. Please subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with others. My previous video series started with how to make this Christmas tree jewels and serve as a focal point for this room. This space used to be our main dining area, and because we want to utilize the fireplace during winter, it makes sense to return to its original function, the family room. Farmhouse style has been our goal because we are tired of these old paint schemes and contemporary decoration. We want simple, calm, serene, and warm spaces to enjoy. Please watch until the end of this video to see what you think of how I staged, accessorized, and decorated our home. Then leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments. By the way, the total cost of these transitions are less than $300. Most of the materials and things we use in this project are those we already have and those given by nature that I picked from my backyard and front yard. I did a separate video showing how to make a Christmas decoration from nature and will upload it soon. Ferd's Candle is the sponsor of this video. Ferd's Candle is an organic candle made by my husband. And here's the outcome of our family room Christmas farmhouse style decoration. One room is done and there are 10 more rooms to finish in 2023. Merry Christmas and thanks for watching!